Alright, we're going to be taking a look at a MRE, kinda, a meal ready to eat, but these were made for the United Arab Emirates. I picked this up at a place called Hahn's Surplus in Las Vegas. We did this on the Gun Show Loophole tour. I saw these earlier in the year when we were there at SHOT Show, and for some reason I just didn't buy them. I guess I got distracted and I forgot to buy them, but I really meant to. And they have a bunch of weird, different menus, and a couple of them were vegetarian, so I figured I'd check them out. So this is a video, and we're going to open them up. They're kind of re-wrapped, I guess. I'm guessing because standards, MREs would come in a stronger plastic, but the way they re-wrapped them, they're still efficient. They keep everything compact. They were sort of vacuum packed at one time, but no longer, and I'm guessing that's just the plastic itself gave loose. And it looks like we can just rip it open. So this white part, I wasn't sure if that was a sticker or what, so that's a label. And here we see, you can verify in whatever language the United Arab Emirates writes in. It's a bunch of stuff written there. But it's a spiced red beans and vegetable, and it's got hummus, that's what I wanted to check out, dates, nuts, crackers, chocolate candies, fruit bar, an accessory packet, a heater, a spoon, and a beverage bag. So it's fairly modern. And then need the MRE to ensure uniform temperature. I don't know what these sections are here for writing. Interesting. So this certainly looks normal, red beans and vegetables. Hummus, chickpea dip. M&Ms, peanut M&Ms. That's it. One apple, one pear, and this fruit bar. That's it. No added sugar. Got an accessory packet with instant coffee, some sort of a juice tube, powdered juice it looks like, some matches, and then they're tan instead of green. Oh, that's tea. It's not a juice, it's a tea. And then some hand wipes maybe. And then dates. What is that, a fig? I don't know what a date is. It's not a nut. Oh, and there are smoked almonds right here. Right on. Crackers, they're still in good shape. And then the beverage bag, a heater, and there's a spoon in here. So pretty standard MRE stuff. It's definitely looks like it's made the same place as standard MRE. So let's bust into this hummus. Chickpea, olive oil, sesame, there it goes, sesame paste, garlic, lemon juice, 2% of citric acid, and salt. Right on. So 200 calories. MREs are usually like 2,000 calories. And yeah, it's really an MRE. Wish I had about more of them now. So, it's one of these. So you can tell by the little dealies here which way they want you to open it. They want you to open it this way, I guess, because it's a dip, right? So I'm going to just knead it up a little bit, just like the peanut butter or something. So if you haven't had this before, it's sort of a peanut butter. It's just more of like a mix between a dip and a peanut butter. It's a little like a chopped up chickpea, basically. Some olive oil. And it looks just like it would look. Smells just like a tub of it you might get at the store. And I'm guessing you're supposed to eat it with the crackers, which opened up with a vacuum seal, so these things were in definitely a fresh state. Nice and light. And I'm probably going to try to chop the rest of this top off. And that'll allow us to dip in there. So there's your hummus. Looks like poop. It's a little dry. It smells like hummus. It looks more like the consistency of cookie dough or something. pretty good. It's like a peanut butter, but made out of a bean instead of a peanut. And then it's got the garlic and the lemon juice, so it's got a bit of a, garlicky lemon juice taste. I definitely eat it, but it's too lemony. Way too lemony. Wow, there's a lot of lemon in it. So either it went bad, or it's got way too much lemon in it. And we'll open up these almonds. I don't think I've ever had MRE almonds before. Definitely still vacuum sealed. They're like salted or something. Oh, those are awesome. Wow. Smoked almonds. Those are super good. Dates. So I don't think I did this. Most MRE stuff has a little tab, right? So I usually try to tear it, but a habit I get into back in the day, just being out and about, not in the military, nothing, just being out and about eating MREs, so I didn't have a lot of extra garbage. Of course, I just did it. Is I would try to tear them just all the way across, but not all the way off, and then that way you're left with less individual pieces of clutter. These look like cockroaches to me. It looks like somebody smashed a cockroach and put it in this bag. I don't know if I can eat this. This is the thing that killed a monkey on Indiana Jones, so I've never been interested in eating these things. Yep, it tastes just like I bit a cockroach in half. I'm not eating that. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. And then it tastes like fruit. So there's no payoff. It just feels like you're eating a cockroach who's been eating an apple. Alright, so red beans and vegetables. This is definitely going to be good, I hope. Let's see what kind of vegetables are in it. Ingredients: water, kidney beans, zucchini, olive oil, peas, diced tomatoes, bunch of stuffed dehydrated potatoes, tomato paste, onion, something other stuff, cilantro, curry powder. So it sounds like it's an Indian type of thing. Now let's keep in mind that the UAE Guard, or whatever it was, Royal Guard, passed on these, is the story from the guy at Hahn's. So I'm guessing these aren't that good. Now I'm surprised they only gave me crackers. There's no rice or anything. I guess not. And find this spoon. This definitely looks like some sort of an Indian type of dish you might get at an Indian restaurant. Red beans and vegetables. A lot of potatoes. The beans are whole. It looks pretty appetizing, really, for a bag type of thing. And more appetizing than a canned thing. Oh yeah, that's super good. I don't know what they're talking about. This is super, super good. A little spicy, which is great. And everything's super fresh in there. Very good. I would definitely get these things by the case. Those are awesome. Really good, too. It's like if they were going to give you Indian food with like 5 little hot chilies, this is like number 4. Really good. And then last we got this apple and a pear, and that's it. So I'm looking for the ingredients: made in the USA. It's handy. Gluten-free, no preservatives. There are no ingredients anywhere, so I'm guessing that is... There may be rare fruit pits, stems, or seed fragments manufactured in a plant that processes milk. Okay, so ingredients: apples, pears. Seriously, that's it. Looks like a piece of turd. It's actually really good. It's like a fruit roll-up mixed with a beef jerky. So it's just like Slim Jim candy, but made out of apples and pears. I'd eat this again. I'd probably even buy that, because if it's really just apples and pears, That's good stuff, and that's way better than eating an apple or a pear. All right, so nuts, awesome. These things are great. Apple and pear thing, pretty good. M&Ms, we know they're going to be awesome. The actual main dish, red beans and vegetables. Oh, I can't say enough good things about this. Very, very good. The dates, disgusting. Crackers, good. Hummus, I don't know. If there was some sort of rice in here, I think I'd be okay with the hummus. It's a little too vinegary or lemony, I guess. But I'd rather see hummus than some of the other gross stuff that's in an MRE sometimes. So this was menu number 2 from the United Arab Emirates MRE. Let us know in the description what you think. And thanks for watching here on guntube.org or gunstreamer.com, and leaving YouTube behind.